Well, in his last ruling as Concourt judge, Justice Moseneke ruled in favour of the Gauteng Education Department regarding its schools admissions regulations. This after the Federation of Governing Bodies of Schools of South African Schools approached the court asking to give governing bodies control of the admission process.
A fight to gain equal and fair admission into schools for all children regardless of where they live. One of the rules the Federation of Governing Bodies proposed was that pupils submit confidential information before being admitted to schools, a move the department has strongly opposed.
Is properly aligned to the objectives of preventing unfair exclusion of a learner at the point of admission to a school. For this reason, we hold that the regulation is rational.
The ruling, a victory for the Gauteng Basic Education Department.
We're saying allow those parents that have the capability and the financial power to take their children to any school that they want to do so. That don't stop them on the basis that wants to see their salary slips, that wants to know where they stay, and that you want to prove indeed they're fit to be in your school.
The feeder zones regulation states that children can only be accepted into schools within 5 kilometers of their homes or their parents' workplace. One of the most contentious aspects of the admissions process is the feeder zones regulation, a system the Gauteng Department of Basic Education believes is abused in order to deny pupils from other areas access to well-resourced schools. However, the court ruled that the Education Department must go back to the drawing board and come up with the new feeder zone regulations within the next 12 months.
We are grateful that the Constitutional Court at least gave us a credit and helped us in the specific issue we had with the zoning and the feeder zones.
The MEC plans to hold meetings with all stakeholders in order to come up with an equitable plan. Moseneke, SABC News, Johannesburg.